Talk one more time. One of the very first and most important lessons I've ever learned was the importance of the company that you keep. And I'm telling you, this is the very start of me getting things together. Okay? In my life, when I was hanging out with the wrong people, I was doing the wrong things. You just party too much, maybe. You don't work. You're lazy. You bitch and complain all the time because the people around you are like that too. And that's not to abdicate responsibility. Rather, that is to state an important and fundamental rule of human nature. We take on the habits of that which surrounds us. Now, uh, I guess it goes back, the first time I discovered this idea was Napoleon Hill talks about a psychologist with this statement saying, a kid isn't, at first, you throw a kid into a criminal world, at first they abhor it. I gotta turn off my tea. At first they abhor it, and then they endure it, then they become accustomed to it, and then they like it. I'm completely butchering that, but what happens is the impulses of thought that reach us over time through repetition influence our character and make us into who we are. It's just how it is. It's on a deep subconscious level. Now, that goes back to the company you keep. You have to be careful who you're hanging out with. In fact, George Washington says another quote along the lines of, "It's better to be in without company than to be in bad company." Gandhi has a story where when he was a kid, he had a friend who suggested that they try meat, and that's completely against Gandhi's religion and personal views. He doesn't believe in eating meat. He tried meat, he couldn't sleep for a few days, and he felt awful about it. It still haunted him by the time he wrote his autobiography as an adult. And he points to that situation, as a reminder to be careful the company you keep. And that's Gandhi is someone I really look up to, and that's someone who is all about being kind to other people and appreciating them. But even Gandhi sets his boundaries as far as the kind of people he's around, because if you're around the wrong type of people, you cannot be the person that you are meant to be. So, just respect and give people the love that they deserve, but don't let it hold you back.